you're just joining us, I'm Lucy and this is Mark. In 2018, we left Korea and now we have explored over 50 countries in our tiny home on wheels, TV.
Last time we left you in Lisbon.
You have changed for euro, €1, please.
Seriously, if there's scammers like that, how am I supposed to trust, right? I don't know what to say right now. I'm just really bummed out. But anyways, like that bag, I hope that he's gonna have a miserable life rest of his life.
After that close call, we left Lisbon and slowly made our way north towards Porto.
We are crossing Lisbon.
But along the way, we made a few stops.
We got into Obidos.
너무 귀엽다.
Cheers.
Cheers.
건배. 오, 날씨가 더워요. TV는 일반 파킹해도 잘 되지니까 끝 갑시다. 잠시만 이거 돈 좀 넣고.
네.
나 저번에 아저씨한테 사기당했잖아. 도둑당했잖아.
왜,
그래서
왜?
이제 돈 잘 챙길 거야. 이거 어떻게 먹어? 이렇게 먹어? 이렇게 먹는 거 맞아?
Kind of gross in the head,
We are leaving Nadare and heading to the East Video. They have a huge and big flea market, so we want to experience a little bit of Portugal flea market. So we're gonna head there today.
Hola.
Hola.
Closed?
오케이. 우리 큰일 났네. 그러면 어디로 가야 되냐? Overnight. There's a parking lot. 오늘은 잠자고 찾기가 참 힘들다.
Take the next left onto Route 2, then turn left onto Route 43.
Oh, there's a lot of camper, huh? 소리가 들어가나 보다.
Hi. Made it.
오늘 집은 정해졌네. 오늘 집은 정해졌다. 뭐예요?
Are you filming?
어,
Yeah, I'm cooking.
뭐야 저녁은?
We're eating Thai curry.
Nice. 맛있을까?
I hope so. It's the leftover
Do you like our
campsite.
home? Yeah, today.
It's not too bad. I mean, it's not what we wanted, but what can you do?
맞아. Today we're gonna sleep in the parking lot. The pay for housing? Should I say? This is zero.
Our rent.
Rent? Yeah, zero. It's a free parking lot. We are gonna stay. This is our view. I know. It's not pretty. Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you sleep well
I slept perfectly.
in the parking lot?
Nice parking lot.
So what happened to this beer, Hania? 네가 다 먹었지, 맥주.
This one's mine. Coca-Cola. These four, I don't know.
거짓말하지 마라. Today we're gonna go check out the flea market.
Should we leave this for the cats?
캣 오면.
I saw a cat kind of wandering around earlier today. So
그래, 그럼 우리 차 뒤에 놔둘래? 뭐 주는 건데 지금?
we thought this was just regular pate, but it's actually
그거야 간
liver.
들었어.
Liver pate.
그래서 간이 들어갖고 비려갖고 먹어요, 여러분. 놔뒀어?
Yeah.
잘했어.
Hello.
We are here, right? This flea market is really huge, I heard, but there's like endless. I found my pajamas. I had one has a hole, but finally I can replace it. And then when we walk around, I can see the shoes, I can see the bag, carpet, underwear, pajamas, everything. It's like a non-stop. It's crazy. I love it. 맛있는 거 있어? 비바나 있어? First 비바나.
Yeah.
이렇게 나왔어.
이렇게 나왔네.
네. 혼나쁘디. 어때? Good? How's the pork or beef? 아니 입에 마요네즈 묻었다.
I think it's pork.
아 그래? 처음에 데이트할 때 이거 비프 하나 먹으러 오면 안 되겠는데.
It's good.
그래 나 먹어볼래. 야 이거 너무 커.
It's good, right?
We had a really great bifana, right? That was our first bifana too, right? How was it?
Oh man, it was so good.
Are you happy that you waited for a
Yeah.
long time to get a
That sucker was
bifana?
packed with meat. So much meat.
And the thing is, this is really like nice and decent price. You can
Yeah,
get everything,
yeah,
right?
Right.
Wow, look at this, babe. Look at that. Wow, that's cool, huh? They sell everything. You can find everything, 아니야? 1kg에 2.3밖에 안 하잖아, 토마토가. 진짜 신선하다.
Mm.
76센트. 여기야, 여기 샌드위치가 맛있다. 벌써 예뻤어. 맞지?
Yeah.
You don't speak Portuguese, you can guess a little bit. 먹고 있어?
Yeah.
가보입시다. 출발합시다. Lock the door, please.
Yep. There you go.
Today we are heading to Porto. Let's go.
In 3 kilometers, use any lane to take the IP1 exit toward Porto Centro, A3.
Tickets have to be validated in a machine outside. If you don't validate, you pay a €60 fine.
Yes, documentation, Tito.
Yeah.
Welcome from Portugal.
Thank you, obrigado, Luis. 사이드 미러 좀 접어줄까? 혹시 모르니까.
Sure. What are you doing?
아까 샀던 거 먹으려고.
You're gonna eat my sandwich?
네 비판 이거 다 먹었잖아.
Oh, we didn't show our parking spot. There we go. Do you want some mayo?
괜찮아.
Are you still eating?
치즈 케이크. Good morning, TV crew. Today we are gonna look around the Porto, and we parked TV right there, blue van. I know the Luis will take care of our car well. You guys can see the tons of motorhome today. Anyways, yesterday as soon as we arrived at parking lot, and Luis gave us this Andante card, which is a transportation card to the Porto, or inside of the Porto we can use it. So we tapped it off, and we need to validate later, and we're gonna look around. So I think, good thing is that after we use this one, I think we are gonna give back to the Luis so the next traveler can use it too. Alright, let's tour the Porto. Yeah, mine is green.
Okay, me too.
Yours?
Nice. Hola. There's TV over there.
Today our destination is
Direction. Your destino.
here.
Oh, how?
I didn't expect this.
Oh, wow, we're right here.
Oh, I didn't expect this.
We're right here at this church.
Guys, I didn't expect that. Gonna see the church right away. This is amazing. I mean, I really didn't plan that much of details. I want to see this church because of the azulejo tiles are really pretty. Look at this. I mean, we saw in other village and small version of it, but like a whole church is like this. 마크가 배고프다고 해서 비파나 식당으로 왔습니다. 뭐 시킨 거야 이거? 이거는
Vino verde. Green wine.
green wine. I like it though.
It's pretty cheap. This big glass of wine was €1.80, I think.
어 괜찮네. Oh, nice. Oh my god. That's cute. 이거 그거 메추리. Right. Alright.
And bifana.
비파나.
해줄까?
진짜 손으로 먹는 거 맞아? 뜨거운데? 아 귀엽다 야. It's hot, huh?
There you go.
감사합니다.
맛있어?
괜찮네. 치킨이랑은 조금 다른 것 같다. Guys, we are the other side of the old town. Is really nice. I like this place better because like you can see the little stores here along this little tiny street. You can find the craft beer. You can find the crafty store, like buffet or like unique stuff. And actually, we found a Korean barbecue restaurant too.
Finally, we saw a Fado concert.
Guys, Mark loved to see the sweet snack area, so we thrown into, and we got the free sample. Now it is the pepper. It's really spicy, really spicy. 아니 이거 진짜 매운데?
매워.
엄청 매워.
맛있어.
그래? 나중에 사야겠네. 맛있다며. I told you it's spicy.
Yeah, spicy.
We went to different street. Oh my god, this is spicy, honey.
It's good.
Oh, 케이블카.
Cable car.
그거 보여?
All right.
맞지.
아,
방이
있네.
있어.
Oh, what a cool bridge.
저게 에펠이었나?
여기 사진 진짜.
Guys, when we went to the Douro River, it was really pretty and we loved to sit down there and enjoy. But actually, it was so hot. It was sunny and no wind. So we decided to move to back alley, and then we found a place which is cooler, right? So we found this place and ordered a 2 beer. So Mark is kind of too high before, but now it's chill. So let's have a beer.
Cheers.
Cheers. 그리고 이제 뭐 한다? 우린 다리를 걸어가 보도록 하겠습니다. 저기 밑에 브릿지.
See.
Guys, across the bridge, I can see the crack shop. Oh, I like it. Yeah, look at this. 이거 봐. 이거 봐. 우리 이제 한인마트 가야 돼.
Yeah.
맞지? 한국 음식 다 떨어져가지고.
Oh, there it is, right there.
그래?
Right there.
건너 한국으로 되겠다.
Green
오케이.
store.
고춧가루 사야 될 것 같아.
고춧가루 여기 있고. 그래, 된장.
게장하고 사야 돼. 이거 엄청 크다. 이거 사이즈 있어.
Yeah.
하나밖에 없네? 하고 우리 반찬이 거의 다 떨어졌거든? 김은 하나만 사? 비빔라면 사자.
Yeah.
여름에 괜찮잖아.
야.
아프리카 갔을 때 잘 먹었잖아.
이거 하나. 김치만두. 오케이, 김치만두.
그거 완전 맛있어.
이거.
다 쇼핑 끝. 쇼핑 is done. 오 마이 갓. 아니야. 우리 엄청 썼어, 아니야.
얼마나 나왔지?
102유로. 진짜 이번에 제일 많이 샀어. Let's go. 우리 일로 이렇게 걸어가야 돼.
We're back.
Finally. Let's go.
B.
Sweet home, home sweet home, home sweet home.
There's Lucy's bag, and there are my bags.
너 오늘 밖에서 자고 싶구나. You keep teasing me. 날 놀리는 거 보니까.
I don't want to. Give me the key, and I'm gonna open the back door too.
There you go.
Okay.
honey, 우리 맥주 있어? We have a 0%.
어디였지?
무알콜 맥주만 있어요.
A special thank you to our Patreon and YouTube members. These videos are possible because of your huge support.
Is it safe to go in?
Yeah, get in.
If you want to help, there are links to our Patreon and YouTube membership below.